The all-new Prius Concept Roadster has officially arrived, and this one is unlike anything you've ever seen before. Imagine taking one of the world's most iconic hybrid cars, known for practicality, efficiency, and reliability, and transforming it into a jaw-dropping open-top performance machine. That's exactly what this latest Prius Concept achieves. This isn't just another modified Prius, it's a total reinvention of what the Prius can be: bold, beautiful, and utterly unique. At first glance, the open-top design instantly steals your attention. The roofless silhouette gives the Prius a completely new character, something you'd expect from an exotic roadster rather than a hybrid commuter. The proportions are perfectly balanced, sleek, low-slung, and wide, with every curve and surface sculpted for presence. The lines flow cleanly from the aggressive front fascia to the muscular rear arches, giving it an aerodynamic yet aggressive aesthetic. It's a statement of style and creativity, proof that even a Prius can turn heads when reimagined the right way. The front end carries over the futuristic DNA of the latest Prius but with sharper details that scream performance. The headlights have been slightly reworked to enhance their visual depth, while the bumper incorporates larger air intakes, emphasizing its wide stance. Every element seems purpose-built to channel air efficiently, maintaining that balance between form and function. The smooth hood transitions beautifully into the windshield frame, which has been shortened and reinforced to fit the Roadster's open-top configuration. The result? A front profile that looks confident, fast, and athletic. Move to the side, and the transformation becomes even more apparent. The V3 Widebody Kit gives the Prius Roadster its unmistakable stance. The flared wheel arches push the body outward, creating a planted and muscular appearance. It's the kind of look that demands attention from any angle. The sculpted side skirts flow seamlessly with the wider track, giving the car a perfect combination of aggression and elegance. Every angle feels meticulously crafted, every panel gap intentional, its design perfection fused with a rebellious spirit. Now, let's talk about the rear, because that's where things get seriously interesting. Inspired by the legendary Porsche 911 Speedster, the custom rear diffuser takes the design game to another level. The diffuser not only adds aerodynamic efficiency but also gives the car that supercar-like presence. It's functional and beautiful at the same time, allowing air to escape cleanly while creating visual drama. The twin exhaust outlets are positioned aggressively, and the sculpted tail design complements the open-top character, giving the rear an exotic and powerful vibe. The wheels play a huge role in the overall look of any car, and this Prius Roadster nails it with the stunning HRE 522 forged wheels. Known for their precision engineering and lightweight strength, the HRE 522s are a perfect match for this concept. Wrapped in Advan Neova AD08R performance tires, the combination delivers incredible grip and style. The deep dish design of the wheels adds a race-ready appeal, and the fitment is flawless: no excessive camber, no awkward poke, just a perfect flush stance that complements the body's natural lines. Underneath the skin, the focus isn't just aesthetics, it's about performance and handling too. While the Prius has always been synonymous with hybrid efficiency, this concept takes it in a whole new direction. The suspension has been lowered and stiffened, ensuring that the car hugs the road tightly through corners. The center of gravity has been optimized, thanks to the removal of the roof structure and lightweight materials used in the redesign. The open-top construction not only enhances the driving experience but also brings you closer to the road. Every sound, every vibration, every bit of feedback feels amplified. Inside the cabin, the transformation continues. The minimalist Prius interior has been redesigned for an open-road experience. Premium materials, sport-inspired seats, and a driver-centric cockpit set the tone. The seating position is low and connected, giving that sports car feeling that drivers crave. The steering wheel feels more tactile, the digital displays have been reoriented for quick visibility, and the overall interior layout matches the car's sleek and modern vibe. It's a blend of futuristic technology and classic roadster simplicity. Driving this Prius Concept Roadster would be an entirely new experience, one that merges sustainability with excitement. Imagine cruising along a scenic coastal road, the hybrid motor humming quietly beneath you while the wind rushes over the open cabin. Then, as you switch to sport mode, the entire character changes: sharper throttle response, tighter steering, and that sensation of being one with the machine. This is not just a car, it's a statement that green technology can be thrilling too. Visually, the attention to detail is what makes this project stand out. Every bolt, every panel, every component feels intentional. The color finish, a sleek combination of matte and gloss surfaces, enhances the sculpted forms and adds a sense of depth to the overall look. The lighting design is another highlight. Subtle LED accents give the car a futuristic presence at night, while the taillights maintain that signature Prius DNA, now reimagined for a sportier tone. The entire concept represents a bold vision: what happens when creativity, design, and innovation collide. It breaks stereotypes, proving that even a car built for efficiency can transform into something breathtakingly stylish. It's not just about performance or sustainability anymore, it's about imagination. The Prius Roadster isn't just a car, it's an idea, a redefinition of what's possible when boundaries are pushed. This concept pays homage to the legacy of the Prius while taking it into uncharted territory. It reminds the world that cars are more than transportation, they're expressions of art and personality. The wide-body stance, open-air freedom, and bespoke detailing make this one of the most visually striking Prius builds ever conceived. And while it may never see production, it inspires a new wave of creativity within the automotive design community. From every angle, the Prius Concept Roadster commands attention. Whether parked or in motion, it has that aura of something truly special, a one-off masterpiece that blends eco-conscious engineering with high-performance styling. It's bold, unexpected, and absolutely mesmerizing. The mix of aerodynamic precision, handcrafted aesthetics, and forward-thinking design philosophy makes it an unforgettable creation. This project proves one thing beyond doubt: the Prius doesn't have to be ordinary. With imagination and craftsmanship, it can be transformed into something extraordinary, something that defies labels and expectations. The open-top design gives it freedom, the wide-body kit gives it power, and the attention to detail gives it soul. This is what happens when passion meets innovation, a car that turns the impossible into reality. So here's the question: can a Prius truly become a performance icon? With builds like this, the answer is a resounding yes. The Prius Concept Roadster isn't just a car, it's a vision of the future, where sustainability and performance exist side by side, wrapped in jaw-dropping design. It's the kind of project that ignites inspiration for designers, builders, and enthusiasts everywhere. This is not just a transformation, it's a revolution. A glimpse into what the future of car culture could look like, where imagination knows no limits. Whether you're a fan of hybrids, roadsters, or simply appreciate great design, this concept demands respect. It challenges perceptions, celebrates creativity, and reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. So what do you think of this open-top Prius Roadster? Has it changed the way you see the Prius brand forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments, share your opinions, and let's talk about this bold transformation that blurs the line between hybrid efficiency and pure driving passion.